Hello there. Welcome to MAT 182, fall of 2020. I'm Professor Strong, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. So the purpose of this video is just to get you started in the course prior to the first day of class, which is coming up very, very quickly. So this class is being taught in More. And if you're watching this video, then you have already enrolled in More, and you have already gone into the Getting Started, Please Read This First folder, which I will open right now. Because this video is posted right here where it says, click here. So this is an in-person class, which means this is a good old-fashioned traditional. We're going to all sit down in a classroom and I'm going to do stuff up on the whiteboard and you're going to take notes just like we did in the old days. None of this live online or hybrid or asynchronous online type of stuff. Unfortunately, that may change. We have to watch how things are going in the community as far as the Delta variant of COVID-19. But if things do change, it was something that you will be notified of immediately as soon as the college makes that determination. So our first class is on Monday, August 23rd at 9 o'clock a.m. And our classes will be 1 hour and 15 minutes on Mondays and Wednesdays. So some of the things I'd like you to do before the first class, and that's in this Getting Started information here. I'd like you to download the course syllabus and the schedule. Read the instructor contact information and introduction so that you know how to contact me. Now, we're not going to be using a Zoom link because this is an in-person class, but I do have a Zoom link and I'd like you to know where that is. We can still use this for office hours. If you need to get a hold of me sometime, this is how you will do it. And if we should, hopefully not, but if we should have to go to a live online environment, then we would use this Zoom link for classes. Familiarize yourself with the layout of the course, and in the course forums, write your personal introduction. So I'm going to show you how to do all of that right now. Also, here is the Zoom link. I've located that in a couple of different spots. So let's close up the Getting Started tab. Now in the announcements, each week I'll be posting an announcement. So this is what we will be doing in class the first week. Very important information, course information and resources. Click on that, open it up. And course objectives. This is something you're going to want to look at because all of your assignments, all of your quizzes are based on the course objectives. The course syllabus and schedule. So you can click on the course syllabus, download the syllabus, keep it handy. Make sure that you read the syllabus carefully. You are responsible for understanding everything that is in the course syllabus. My grading policies, what to expect as far as homework, quizzes, exams, all of those kinds of things are in the course syllabus. And so, of course, the course syllabus looks something like this. It starts off with the course description and the course competencies, minimum time required. Make sure that you read all of these things, the statement of technology use, required materials, etc., etc., etc. I am not going to be going over all of this in class the first day because I expect you to do it on your own and come prepared to ask me questions. The course schedule is also very important. This is in one single page. It will tell you what we are doing every day. On Monday, August 23rd, we are covering 5.1 in circles. The homework is due August 25th, and etc., etc., etc. You can see when the exams, days off, and all of those good things are. So keep that handy. Also, in course information resources, textbook. There, you do not need to purchase a textbook for this class. You can ignore this little Calculus Volume 2 by OpenStax. I will change that before the first day of class, but that's for another class. Desmos, online graphing calculator. The only calculator I will allow in this class will be Desmos. So learn how to use that. Again, the Zoom meeting link Instructor information. Here's my email address. A little bit more about how to contact me. My personal introduction. You want to know a little bit about me, what you're getting yourself into, read that. Tutoring resources, which I will be updating. I haven't updated it yet, but I will be. PVC and MCCCD resources, and then Rate My Professor, which you're not going to be able to see yet. So we're going to go to the student version here. There we go. This is exactly what it's going to look like for you. All right. So the next thing I wanted you to do is go into the course forums and write your personal introductions. So you'll click on the personal introductions, read this information here. Very, very important. It will be graded. And then click on this personal introductions to go to where you need to do to actually do your personal introduction. You will then click on add new thread. Now, if you don't know how to use anything in More, ask me during the first class. That's what the first class is going to be for, answering your questions. Homework chat forum, someplace where you guys can get together and work on homework together. Student suggestions forum, I'll talk a little bit more about that. Objective-based assignments is the next folder here. Click on that. We have 12 objectives in this class. Each objective has a quiz, and there will be a group work assignment for each one of these objectives. And then the content, chapters 5, 6, 7, and 8 of the textbook that we will be using, which again, you do not need to pay for. Trigonometric functions of angles is the first chapter. We're covering circles, angles, etc., etc., etc. In each one of these, you click on it. There will be a link to the textbook. Materials for Success will be my class notes and any other information that I want you to have in here. Then there is a video assignment. These video assignments are designed to provide you with the video material. All of the material is in the form of video. It's a little bit different than my class notes. My class notes are what I will be doing in the classroom. I almost forget this is an in-person class. What I will be doing in class is the same as what's in the class notes. The video assignments are just some supplementary videos to help you to understand the material. And then of course the assignment. So in this case on circles, you click on that and that takes you to the assignment. So that's pretty much how everything is laid out. In More, make sure that you are familiar with what's in all of these folders. Make sure that you can navigate your way around. Oh, a couple other things. Over here, calendar. If you click on calendar, you'll get the calendar. And click up here to go back. You can click on the gradebook. You can click on forums. And if you want to send me a message through More, you can just click on messages over here. All right, so that's it for this video. I look forward to seeing everybody on Monday at 9 o'clock in the classroom. Unfortunately, we do have to wear masks. So make sure that everybody has your mask and we will still have a wonderful class. I will answer any questions that you guys have about any of this information from this video. And then we're going to get started into trigonometry. All right. If you have any questions, you know where my email address is now. Send me an email and I will be glad to get back to you. Otherwise, see you in class. Bye-bye.